Welcome to Data Catch Up YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more empowering data science videos. Using artificial intelligence to gain insights from your documents and data with Iron Mountain. Every continent, country, state, city, company, and individual are centered around data. As a CEO, can you predict the amount of data your business has? It's not easy question to answer, but the more important question is, how much of that data can you actually use? Often, businesses are sitting on huge amounts of valuable data that they struggle to do anything truly productive with. This could be because the data is in messy, unstructured formats or locked away in legacy archives such as paper records, forms, and documents that can't easily be digitized. In many cases, documents have been gathered over a number of years or even decades, and during that time, documents and formats have changed or evolved. And another factor is that organizations simply don't have the expertise available in-house to understand what value exists in their data and how to efficiently extract it. This information generated or collected by companies but not used is sometimes known as dark data. And the 2019 survey by Splunk estimated that it makes up over half of the data owned by most businesses. Today's data-savvy businesses and organizations, however, are quickly learning that when artificial intelligence becomes part of the toolbox, anything becomes possible. Today, advanced machine learning techniques, including computer vision and natural language processing (NLP), make it possible to digitize and extract value from information, even if it has been languishing in vaults and archives since before the dawn of the online age. This works by scanning documents and converting the resulting images into text using computer vision. NLP algorithms then extract meaning from the text, allowing the documents to be classified, and the data they contain to be arranged into structured tables and tagged for deeper analysis. The most advanced tools in this field go further by building in essential features such as sophisticated visualization capabilities and regulatory and governance compliance. One provider of these services is Iron Mountain, a US-based information management company that has been around since 1951 and headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts, USA. It was named for its original purpose of offering document storage within disused mine shafts, with the promise that their customers' vital data and records would be safe even in the event of nuclear war. Among the material under its protection are original recordings by Frank Sinatra, as well as unreleased songs and videos by the artist Prince, with a value of around $200 million US. Today, it provides a solution called Iron Mountain Insight that helps the same clients mine information from documents that may previously have been considered unrecoverable or lost to history. It calls this process document understanding, and it's possible thanks to the combination of Google's cloud machine learning services with their own proprietary expertise in data mining and classification. Iron Mountain's head of commercial project engineering, Narasimha Gali, said their clients' most pressing challenges involve keeping ahead of their competition. This means that as well as maintaining their position as leaders in their own fields of operation, they have to become technology leaders too. Digital transformation is the key enabler for our clients to stay ahead of the competition, he says. We enable this by bringing best-in-class digital solutions of their way of working, replacing non-digital and manual processes with hyper-automation. This involves digitizing all of their existing physical content and providing tools that allow the newly digitized information to be queried, manipulated, and aggregated with other datasets. This is all offered as a service, with clients paying a single subscription fee, eliminating the need for them to invest in tech infrastructure and data expertise themselves. Gully says, What we have learned is that artificial intelligence and machine learning are playing a critical role in digital transformation. We can digitize information that is in the physical form so that clients can access it from anywhere, on any device. We can classify that content and extract key information that clients are interested in, and we can automate the quality control process to identify any incomplete or inaccurate information. This step alone brings in a lot of operational efficiencies in terms of cycle time and productivity, and improves quality of service. The use cases for this type of technology are virtually unlimited, and Iron Mountain has clients in the energy sector that use its abilities to value locations for exploration, aggregating seismic information with data gathered by drones to understand the risk of exploring individual locations. In financial services, its tools are used by the mortgage industry to understand the range of documentation that go along with mortgage and remortgage applications, and in insurance to analyze documents for indicators of fraudulent activity. And they are also used by clients in the media and entertainment industry to understand and catalog their IP assets, monitor for copyright violations, and deep dive into the relationship between celebrities, the brands and logos they are associated with. Work in this field provides another excellent example of how AI and data-driven analytics technology is allowing businesses to work smarter, reducing workloads that would previously have taken many human hours to complete, down to processes that can be handled by machines in minutes or seconds. As machine learning algorithms become smarter and faster, we can expect to be able to unlock value from more types of information and data in this way. Real-time video analytics, for example, is already a reality and will undoubtedly become a bigger feature of our day-to-day lives as more organizations develop these capabilities. And when the services are available as subscription services, on demand and in the cloud, it makes it simple for businesses and organizations of any size to become digital leaders, extracting the maximum possible value from their data. If you find this video interesting, visit datacatchup.com and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more tech videos.